Hello everyone, my name is Dorothy Suku, and today I'm going to present a review of a randomized control trial called Effect of Wearable Technology Combined with the Lifestyle Intervention on Long-Term Weight Loss. The program in which the randomized control trial was conducted was about the additive effect of wearable weight loss technology on the standard behavior weight loss intervention in improving long-term weight loss outcomes. The program defined a standard behavior weight loss intervention as one that includes diet and physical activity. Study participants were randomized into one of two groups: the standard intervention group, which followed the standard weight loss behaviors, and the enhanced intervention group, which used wearable weight loss and technology devices. Both groups received a behavior weight loss intervention for the first 6 months. Then they were initiated to self-monitoring for the rest of the evaluation program. The sample size of the eligible participants included in the analysis was 470 participants, aged 18 to 35 years, with a BMI of 25 to less than 40, of which 28.9% were non-white and 77.2% were women. Multiple outcome assessment was done at 5 different points during the study time. The first assessment was done at baseline, and the rest were done at 6, 12, 18, and 24 months. The quantitative variables that were assessed were weight, height, body composition, oxygen consumption, moderate to vigorous physical activity, and the calorie intake. While the qualitative variables that were assessed include diary feedback, self-report questionnaires, and observations. A two-sided t-test used to detect a mean difference of 2.3 kg between the two groups. At 6 months, there was no significant weight loss difference between the two groups. However, at 12, 18, and 24 months, the weight loss percentage was significantly higher in the standard intervention group than in the enhanced intervention group. Overall, the addition of wearable technology to a behavior intervention did not produce an effective outcome of weight loss in 24 months. Potential threats to objectivity were due to possible selection bias due to the study participants being students from Pittsburgh University, where the study was conducted, and also undefined target population and undefined bias control measures. Other potential threats to adequacy and validity were due to project selection bias, whereby most of the project participants were staff and graduate students at the Physical Activity and Weight Management Research Center and the Epidemiology Data Center at the University of Pittsburgh. Threats to statistical conclusion could be due to reduced power of tests because the study compared a similar group of people who were primarily white women, who were 77.2%, and also there were college graduates with a median age of 30 years. A potential threat to construct validity could be caused by biased behaviors of participants who were not double-blinded and also received $100 in motivation to continue being in the study. A threat to external validity was demonstrated by possibly manipulating the study outcomes due to conflict of interest, as it was reported that the researchers of the study were affiliated with Weight Watchers International. The fact that the study sample of this study was age restricted to only young adults, the transferability of the findings or generalizations could be affected. Overall, the study did well in placing strategies to engage the participants in the program and promote adherence. This was done by contacting the participants to attend group sessions. Another strength of the study was the transparency of conflict of interest disclosure. The evaluators mentioned that the study used theory-based strategies to encourage commitment to weight loss behaviors. However, they failed to mention the specific constructs that could be applied in driving the behaviors. A specific theory construct such as self-efficacy could be an excellent fit for the theory piece of the study. Other recommendations include increasing the sample size to increase validity and minimize bias. Also broaden the age selection criteria beyond young adults so that the results can be generalized. And this concludes my review. Thank you.